Hey, Kerry, did you hear? Bravo ran into some trouble. Sergeant Lacey's pinned down in some village. You ready to go?
As you are aware, we've been scouting positions to the north, keeping tabs on enemy movement. Unfortunately, Bravo ran into trouble, taking contact in a village a little to the west of our position. They're pinned down and need our support, gentlemen. Now, an advanced element has already set up a position nearby to get eyes on the situation. AAF units have mobilized in the valley leading to the village. More support is no doubt en route. Alpha will approach from the east. Use the hills and the forest cover to your advantage. Clear the village and get our boys out of there. Okay, regroup and report in.
Double time, gentlemen. Back into the forest. We'll track along the ridge line and take up a position above the village.
Sir, update. We've got enemy movement in the valley. At least one greenback fire team. Looks like they're outflanking Bravo's position in the village. Over.
Acknowledged, Private. Appreciate the heads up. We're just east of your position en route to the staging point. Fall back and link up with us. Out. Alpha to Falcon. Be advised. Contact spotted near the village. Do we engage? Over.
Negative, Alpha. Seize the high ground. Stay on mission. Out.
Okay, Jackson reports contacts in the valley. Keep your eyes open, gentlemen. Jackson, did you copy my last? Fall back and regroup. Over. Private Jackson, respond. Over. Change of plan. I can't raise Jackson. We'll divert to his last known position. Get set for contact, gentlemen. Nickel, Everett, fire at that soldier. West, Larkin, attack that rifleman. Front, engaging. Engaging target.
I've got it! Soldier, 200 meters, front!
Kerry, attack that rifleman! West!
Engaging! Scratch one!
Move up! Damn it! Jackson's down! Doc, check on him! The rest of you, covering fire! Falcon, this is Alpha. We've taken casualties. casualties. Stand by for update. Concentrate your fire down the valley! Falcon, come in. This is Alpha 4. Jackson's hit. Requesting support at our position. Over.
Negative, Alpha 4. Delta is unavailable. We're stretched thin here. Falcon out.
Falcon, we're a man short and Greenbacks have taken up a position in the valley. What are our orders?
Stay on mission, Alpha. Bravo still needs your support. Avoid the valley. Maneuver around the threat. Clear the village. Falcon out.
Shit! Alright, you heard it, guys! Enemy! Kerry! Fire at that soldier! Front! 100 meters! Front! Nico! Everett! Engage that man! West!
Soldier! 200 meters, front!
Contacts on the ridgeline! Northwest! Focus your fire!
He's down!
Larkin, engage that man! West! Nico, Everett! Fire at that soldier! West! Soldier, 200 meters, right! Larkin, engage that man! West! Nico, Everett! Attack that rifleman! West! Target neutralized! Target neutralized! Target
Bravo
down!
to Alpha. Bravo to Alpha. Good to see you guys. We're pinned down here. Two-story house, center of the village. Watch your fire.
Clear! Move 100 meters, front! Move up! Move 75 meters, front! Contact! Nichols! Everett! Fire at the medic! West! Larkin! Kerry! Engage that man! Machine gunners! 100 meters! Front! Man! 75 meters! Front!
Engaging target!
Scratch one! Scratch one! I got it! Hostile down! Move up!
Covering fire! On the move! Cover me! On the move! Moving! Move up!
Move 75 meters! Front! Left! Man! 75 meters! Left! Nichols! Everett! Fire at that soldier! Engaging target!
All right, Alpha. Looks like we can move. Appreciate the assist. Falcon, this is Bravo. Come in. Over. Receiving you, Bravo. Go ahead. Over. All clear here, sir. Thanks to Alpha, at least. Requesting further orders. Over. Good to hear, Bravo. Fine work, Alpha. Charlie's inbound with support for your wounded. Entrench your positions. Falcon out.
Entrench your positions. It's easy for him to say. Where the hell are the Brits anyway? What the fuck is Delta doing?
our position. Alpha, listen up. Our UAV operator took a hit earlier. If you can get to it, you can use the darter to locate the spotters.
Kerry, you're up.
On it, sir.
Alpha, Bravo, this is Charlie. We're on station, ready to assist. If you can get those assholes painted, Alpha, we can fuck them up. Over?
Just don't take all day, guys. We kinda got a situation here. Out.
Move out!
Copy on your mark, Alpha. Engaging. Sir, spotters neutralized.
Move! Cover me! On the move!
Shit, fast mover!
Covering, go!
Bravo to Falcon. We just got buzzed out here.
Copy, Bravo. We saw him. Get out of there.
You heard him, guys. Get the fuck out before he comes back. Take cover! Keep moving! He's not done yet!